what my abuela gives?
No?
No.
But she did give you some like that.
Yeah, new elephant. I got a new elephant. Yuck. She got new elephant.
Yeah.
I got these are new.
Y'all are both working away. Lana, I'm taking a movie. Lana, look, it's Isabella. Look. Say hi. Look. Here she comes, Isabella. Say hi. Hi, Isabella.
Hi.
Come sit down and play with us.
Look, I got these at Target.
Give Isabella something to play with.
Look, my shoes.
Those are pretty. Hi, hola.
Hi.
Hey, Natalia.
How are you?
Good, I see your little movie.
Hola, Lana. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Hola, William. Mami. ¿Qué? Yo quiero que me quite. ¿Saludaste a Lana? ¿Ven?